Hello, we are Aiwa, and we are going to present you our most equipped multiband radio. Let's start! Let me introduce you my partners today. The RMD-77 radio and the RMD-99ST radio. These are the two multiband radio current models of our brand. From our packaging, our radios make the difference. Both radios bring a smart case with a finish similar to leather, ideal for keeping your radio. Also, a pair of Aiwa Q-Design headphones are included, with a really great sound quality, a USB power cord, and 3 battery AA Aiwa extra alkaline power that will bring you a great autonomy. But what is a multiband radio? For those who don't know it yet, the term multiband refers to a device, radios in this case, that can tune in different radio frequency bands. Justly, our RMD-77 and RMD-99ST can tune in 4 frequency bands: SW, MW, LW, and PLLFM. Moreover, you won't have any problem to tune in your favorite radio station from any country, thanks to their multiband broadcasting. Maybe it's the moment to turn on the radio. With both, you can listen to the radio with headphones or the speaker. They count with 550 presets to keep your favorite radio stations. Also, they have ATS function, that is in charge of tuning in automatically the radio stations, and the ETM function, that lets you tune in your radio station easily. Well, you can tune in your favorite radio station putting in the frontal keyboard. Okay, yes, they are radios, but they have other traits that won't remain indifferent. From the RMD-99ST, we can highlight its stereo design. Its speakers distinguish it from its little sister, although there is another detail that distinguishes it. In its back part, this radio comes with a keyhole for an SD card and play your MP3 in this. Okay, it also works as a speaker. So we can confirm that it's not only a radio. The RMD-77, compared to its sister, highlights due to its compact design, because it only counts with 1 speaker. And talking about the watch, temperature and time, both radios have alarm buzzer and a slim function. They are more than a radio. So here's everything for today. If you like them and you want to know their availability, you can find them in the following link. Left us a comment, give us a like, and follow us. Remember to turn on your notifications if you want to know the latest news from Aiwa. We will see you in our next video.